Hey, my name is Jax and you are watching the Dive Like a Man channel.
Hey guys, today Jackson and I are going to make an underwater volcano. Does that sound exciting? Does it?
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Put it in whichever one you want first. Which one? This one?
This one, bigger.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
Now count down. Watch, it's gonna explode. Whoa! Look at all the bubbles. It's exploding.
Why?
Because the citric acid mixed with the baking soda and now it's making an explosion. Uh-oh. It's gonna spill. Alright, so basically what this experiment did was you take a little bit... Just one more scoop.
Okay.
Alright, if you take a little bit of baking soda and put it in some water, and then you can use food coloring to change the color of the water, and then fill up a section of vegetable or olive oil, because that is going to make the citric acid, when you put it in there, the classic baking soda and vinegar could work, but you want to try to get that in powder form so that it sinks through the oil.
Something is in here.
And once it,
stuck in there.
yeah, that's okay. We'll get it out. And once the citric acid goes through the oil and connects with the baking soda that's in the water, it explodes through the vegetable oil. And that's our science experiment, and it looks really neat and kind of gross. Like a mad scientist. Ooh. We should do another color next time. Was that awesome?
Perfect.
That was purple.
Oh.
We do green or blue or something. Maybe
Green.
green?
Light green.
Light green?
Yeah. I'm going back to play Roblox.
Okay, do you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more information about this project and other fun things to do with your kids, go ahead and visit us at dadlikeaman.com. You can also like us on Facebook. If you've got ideas that you'd like to see us do, leave it in the comments below and we'll try to get to it. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up right down there. If you want other people to see this video, you can go ahead and share it. So, thanks for watching and stay manly.